In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data to Excel in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take a report from QuickBooks and download it as an Excel file that you can analyze, customize, or share with others. Let's start right inside your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options, like Dashboard, Banking, Sales, and so on. From that menu, click on the option labeled Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all the standard and custom reports for your company, and it's the area you'll use anytime you want to pull information out of the system in a structured format. When the Reports page loads, you'll see a list of commonly used reports, along with categories and a search bar at the top. If you already know the name of the report you want to export, such as Profit and Loss, start typing that into the search field. QuickBooks will filter the list and show you matching reports. Click on the specific report you need. In most cases, you can use the same process for other reports as well, like Balance Sheet, Sales by Customer, or any custom report you've saved. Once the report opens, take a quick moment to confirm that the date range, filters, and other settings are correct. It's always better to adjust those now so that the Excel file you download already reflects the exact data you want. Next, how you export will depend on which report view you're seeing. If your report is in the classic view, look for the small export icon, typically near the top right area of the report. Click that icon, and then choose Export to Excel from the menu that appears. QuickBooks will prepare your file and begin the download. If your report is in the newer enhanced experience, you'll instead see a button labeled Export Print, usually in the upper right corner. Click on Export Print, then select Export to Excel from the drop-down options. The system will generate an Excel version of your report and start downloading it to your computer. Finally, once the file has finished downloading, go to your browser's Downloads area or your computer's Downloads folder and locate the Excel file. Save it to a specific folder where you keep your accounting or reporting documents so you can easily find it later, and then open it in Excel to review, format, or share as needed.